my channel.
Welcome back to my channel.
Why do I feel like you portrayed me better than I portrayed myself?
I don't know. I've been watching you for a long time.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. Woo! Today we are baking, if you couldn't already tell, in our matching outfits.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's check them out. Today I put on my bucket list, my Christmas bucket list. If you haven't watched Vlogmas Day 2, I'll link it down below. Go watch it. I made a Christmas bucket list, and on that bucket list I put to bake Christmas cookies and to try making something I've never made before. So we're gonna kill two birds with one stone by baking sugar cookies from scratch and homemade or frosting from scratch.
Yes.
So baking cookies,
Why do I feel like
and
you
I've
are
never done it.
a game show host?
All right.
No lie though, I really think you could do that.
You think I could be a game show host? I love it. I was trying to think of like a line they say from a game show, but I couldn't think of anything.
I tried to think of something, but all I could think about was from Harris Fair. He's like, "Hello there, teenage Baltimore, and welcome to
That's awesome.
Horny Collins show," or whatever.
I love it. I love it. All right.
Okay, we're gonna measure. You're gonna measure. I'm here for
measure, moral support, and company.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the recipe we are using. Where did you find this?
online. I googled it.
Here is the recipe. I hope you guys can see that.
This is called Life, Love, and Sugar.com. And they are called
Look how cute her stuff is.
the best soft and chewy sugar cookie recipe. And cream the butter. What does that mean?
Hey Siri, what does it mean to cream butter?
Here's an answer from eHow.com. Cream and butter are very closely related.
No.
Cream is essentially milk with a high percentage of butterfat, while butter is a
That's not it.
semi-solid form of cream.
That's not what we wanted to know. Okay, step 1. Preheat the oven to 350. Okay, you're good.
Cool. That's what sisters are for, man. I'm gonna put that in there.
This one is where it gets interesting.
Yes, and you gotta roll the
We're gonna
sleeves
cream
up.
the butter and sugars together in a large mixing bowl on medium speed until light and fluffy. You should be able to see the change in color happen and know it's ready.
Okay.
Here's the mixie thing.
Mixie thingy majigger. Ooh, there we go.
So we need a cup plus 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. I want to try.
Do it. Do it.
I feel like it's done. It looks like cookie. Like, it looks like the color.
It does. Next up, cream the butter and sugar together. Okay.
Now we also
Pepper
know what it
and
means to
ready.
cream them together.
Add the egg and mix until well combined.
Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. You ready to do some egg cracking?
Oh, me crack? Okay. Ready?
Ready?
Ooh!
Cut it.
Look at that! One-handed egg cracking.
What's his name from the $1 Million Cook-Off would be so proud.
Eddie! Yeah! think they even can. It looks like frosting. Look at this. That is freaking frosting. It's good?
I just like use my finger a little. It tastes so good. What you saw.
Yup. That's delicious. And now we just put our food coloring in. So I have red, I have green. We're gonna mix it up. Oh, look at it. It kind of looks like a candy cane.
No. I think I need more. It's very like...
And I might need more too.
I can't even tell that it's green.
Yeah, I think I need more as well.
Homemade frosting and homemade cookies.
Got red, green, and just white.
Hi.
Hey, we're filming.
Look what we made.
We made
I
a
smell
homemade.
it. I can't grab one, but I don't want to
You can't take crab lime.
Grab one of them.
Just grab this, sweetie.
Aww.
How to do it though?
Oh yeah, taste test on camera, Paul. Come on, taste test on camera.
Do I have to put that?
Do you want to put frosting on? You can put frosting on if you want. Here, they're the same flavoring.
Coloring
That's right.
for my health.
That would definitely be that.
You're eating the sugar.
You're good.
Yeah?
They're homemade.
Homemade.
Made 'em